This is Mr. Williams and I endorse this message.
Thank you very much, Mr. Williams, sir. Seeing that I am talking about Obeah, it is nice to have the endorsement of the biggest name in dancehall, Obeah, today. Mr. Williams, I am so honored. Thank you very much. People, don't take it very seriously. It is just a joke. Today's video is about Obeah and dancehall. Are artists actually using Obeah as a promotional tool to bust? Are actually using it to slow lead the competition? I am not endorsing Obeah or telling you what to believe. I am just asking the question. When we talk about Obeah and present day dancehall, the names that comes to mind are L.A. Lewis, Dr. Love, The Maskman, and the biggest name in Obeah today, Mr. Williams. Let's take a look at some of the videos so you have an idea what I am talking about.
I'll name when me never leave me. I'll when him please believe me. You have Isla Compella. I'll when him go and move Rechinella. Anybody trouble me, a woman come a cabba. I'm a teller, come and tell him mama rella. I compel and I tell him science again. Anybody trouble me, a woman come a cabba.
Who know fi go pay the Obeah man fi him service?
Me don't admit say me go up there. No me a go talk all who me say come there. It was a Sunday. Can't believe my eyes as you see me in runway. What take that singer there? Parchment paper with people name. Just because them want more fame. Fire with Isle, pan rag and slate. Even spend time in the monkey cage.
Dr. Love, you come to me as a noble artist. I fix you and I help you and I turn you into a big entertainer. Now you're big and you're boss. Bring me rest of money. Or I will take my ring. Make I have to take back the ring.
Mr. Williams plays at St. Thomas. The same Obeah man with all the artists then go to. All the artists, him then go to. Right? Yeah, me go up there. Me want you all go on. Me want to say everything we work to. When me go up at Mr. Williams, right? And me hear how much of the gathering and the bracelet, me couldn't afford it. Them time there not much in that go on, so me couldn't afford it.
Where did all this Obeah witchcraft and supernatural beliefs really came from? Is it all a contradiction of the Bible to worship false idols? The last time I checked, even with all the violence in Jamaica, it is supposed to be a religious country. Where did all this new Obeah phenomenon came from? Gone are the days when Obeah man was just a secret and we used to just hear about it. It was like a myth, like Bigfoot and the Loch Ness Monster. Today, Obeah man are more visible and are very active on social media. Obeah man now have their own website, live blogs and WhatsApp. They are in commercials on TV. They are listed in the yellow pages. 1-800 for Obeah. Now, this is not an actual number, so don't waste your time and call to sort out your problems. It is just a joke. Nowadays, as soon as some artists record and master a song, they are speed dialing the Obeah man and transferring the files and wire transferring the payment pronto. The advancement of technology is in full effect. The Obeah man is up to the time and have gone high tech. There are certain articles or services that are more prominent in the Obeah kit or package. They are the guard ring, the bracelet, the parchment paper, the bath in chicken blood or blue water. And the most complicated of them all, the expensive trip to Africa to romance a monkey or the monkey romancing you. I am not sure about the details or the specifics of this arrangement, but either way it does not sound or look good. There are no documented cases of this, but who would really be brave enough to confess to fucking a monkey? What is this guard ring? Is it one of those washover rings that we get from the bubblegum machine, or is it like a Obeah graduation ring saying that you've successfully completed the Obeah course with distinctions and honor with your initials engraved inside? Saying that you are now a full-fledged member of the Fraternal Order of Obeahship, or is it like a mafia diamond pinky ring with the letter O encrusted in diamond? Is there a certificate or plaque that comes with it? Is it accredited BA, Master, PhD, or Doctorate in Obeahology? Is the Obeah bracelet gold, silver, platinum, wire, copper, aluminum, or those fake washover Hence's bracelet that a lot of these rappers and dancehall artists are flossing in, laced with glass bottle or cubic zirconias? What is the significance of the parchment paper? Why not pretty paper that is used to make kite, baking paper, or toilet paper, or gift wrapping paper? Why the parchment paper? Is it because it is more durable when you put it in your shoes, or it is folded up and put in the Bible in a certain verse, or Psalms, or Proverbs? This bath with chicken blood, is it the blood of a layer hen, a game fowl, a Cornish hen? What kind of blood is needed? Is this blue water, Kool-Aid, Gatorade, Tang, or water from the blue sea? What is the significance of the blue color? Is it because you are washing your blues away? This trip to Africa to see this monkey, do you need to make arrangement through the travel agency, Expedia or Travelocity? Do you need a special shot to prevent diseases such as VD or rabies from this monkey, or vice versa? Do you need a special visa? Is it a work visa to perform with the monkey? or is it a humanitarian visa to develop international relationship with this monkey? I wonder, what do you say when you're asked by the immigration officer what is your purpose of this visit? Do you tell him that you are there for career enhancement, you are there to spread love, and you are there to check out the wildlife and have a good time? Don't be too surprised if the immigration officer who is hip to this Obeah trend says to you, I hope you're not here to abuse the monkeys, or whatever you do, don't fuck around the monkeys' emotions. Have a little tender loving care when dealing with the primates. I personally have never inquired about Obeah for any reason whatsoever. I was never privileged enough to experience the power that some people claim it have. I put my trust in a higher power, and that power is not Obeah. Does Obeah really exist? I know it exists, but does it really work, or is it just a scam? Are artists really working Obeah to bust? So why is it that artists that never talk about it or burn it out are more successful than the ones that's always endorsing it? Why is so much people locked up in prison doing live because they put their trust in the Obeah man and not a good lawyer and God? Why are there so much artists struggling to bust? If Obeah was that solution, wouldn't these record companies and artist managers invest in Obeah if it was such a sure shot? To all the Obeah people out there, please don't put any goosebumps on me for asking the questions. I am not trying to diss your beliefs. I'm only curious for answers and expressing my opinion and my beliefs. People, if you don't see me come back on YouTube, you know exactly what happened. Please Google search WhatsApp or Facebook Mr. Williams and beg him to grant me forgiveness and release me of the spell. Please reassure him that it was not my intention to diss him, and I will never do it again, ever, ever, ever. People, what is your true take on this Obeah situation? Is it real or fake? Are these artists that are endorsing Obeah wasting their money? Or do they have the Obeah man or the Obeah scam? Please let me know. Enlighten me about this in the comment section. Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.